Hello, everyone, I am Jerry, the sales manager of Yongming Machinery. This video mainly introduces the latest chili sorting production line developed by our company. Compared with the previous production line, this production line has significantly improved in many aspects, such as large output, strong practicability, and outstanding sorting effect. The core concept of our product design has always been based on customer needs and serving customers to the greatest extent. We purchased different varieties of peppers to test the machine, continuously improved. We used Chaotian chilies in this video. The raw materials are mixed with a lot of chili straw and other impurities. Next, we will show you how to process the chilies and the result of the processing. The first piece of equipment is the mesh conveyor. It supports loader feeding and conveys materials through continuous movement of the mesh surface. During the processing, some smaller impurities can be separated. It can realize horizontal, inclined, and vertical transportation. And mesh surfaces of different specifications can be selected for transportation according to customer needs. The second piece of equipment is the chili sorting machine. The motor drives the nylon gear wheels to move, and the chilies move on nylon gear wheels under the impact of the ejector. The pepper is separated from the root, stems, and branches. The chili sorting machine has 4 layers of sieves, which are screened by each layer, and the chilies enter the next process. Branches and stems are transported by the belt conveyor. The third one is the chili wind selecting machine. Its principle is to use the difference in suspension speed between chilies and impurities with the help of the wind to remove small stems, leaves, dust, and other impurities of chilies, which can effectively improve the quality of chilies. The last one is our chili roller screen. The center of gravity separation cylinder is composed of several diamond-shaped steel pipes, which are inclined after being placed. The chilies enter the roller through the conveyor and keep rolling and rotating in the roller to separate the fine dust and impurities. Impurities and dust falling along the sieve holes. The chilies are discharged through the discharge port. Next, we will show you the effect of the chili selecting. If you want to know more information about the equipment, please feel free to contact us at any time.